is the length of the other one?
70, not 35.
What? Millimeters. Yes, yes. I'm waiting for that word always. So I've seen Patrick has given us one here on this camera here, and you guys are going to be playing with this a lot. So these are cinema zoom lenses. So now, if I bring a question and ask, what is the use, or what are cinema zoom lenses? You tell me these allow you to change focal length without changing the lens. So now, for example, this one starts with 50 to 135. So if I have this one, I may not buy these other lenses. If I want 50mm, I can shoot with it. If I want 85, I can shoot with it, because it's just a matter of adjusting.
It is from 50 to 110.
Exactly.
From 50 to 120.
Exactly. So now when we are shooting a movie, or like shooting these dialogues, I may say that, you know what, oh, that shot, shoot it at 50mm. You may say that, oh, man, I want this lens because we are going to be moving a lot, so I don't want to overchange. Okay. So example, 24 to 70. Oh, okay. Or 70 to 200. Yes, Patrick has brought for us one 70 to 200. This one here. Okay. 18 to 85. Now you see this one it starts with wide angle, and then you can zoom up to 80. So this means that this one you can shoot also your portraits, okay? Because it can zoom to that. All right. And what are the advantages of shooting with these lenses? Faster shooting. So if I come up with a project and then I tell you, you know what, we're going to shoot this short movie, but it's going to be around town, lifestyle of Kampala, how these guys work in Kampala. Remember, every time you bring these big gears, people are going to come in. So what you do, you just get to know that, oh, you know what, I'm going to be shooting in a Kampala suburb. I don't need to change the lens. Let me go with this one, which is going to be shooting close shots, wide shots. Now, like this one here, I love this one. It starts with 20 to 55. Yeah, so it has a wide angle. It can go up to 55. So it means it can be shooting most of the parts which I need in my movie. Okay? So another advantage, no need to swap lenses. You don't change. Remember, we are going to be, now you see, for example, Mr. Patrick has made for you this camera like this. But when we are shooting, it has many things which are going to be on it. The screen here, the matte box here, it becomes a big camera. Now to remove the lens is also another task. Okay? Like I told you, you guys, you are going to be knowing exactly. If I call you to shoot a wedding, just get to know that you are going to be using a lens which is not going to be like changing. Because wedding, we don't direct weddings. Weddings, you shoot things which are happening. Yes, that is the reason why you see that people nowadays, when they are shooting weddings, do you know what they do? They shoot the wedding, and then they call the customer again. They tell him, you know what, let us also shoot these things. So these other things which they direct, because they want to integrate them to their editing so that the wedding comes properly. But the other time we were not like that. They call you on a wedding, you be active. You remember, you need to get everything. Hey, you see? Now, for example, now my friend in church, you don't direct the pastor that, oh, first wait, come this side.